pharmacy right here in the store.
Juice. So a quick OOTD. My top is from Chanel. My trouser is Gucci.
Translation now. This girl went and struck the dead brother 3 times. I said, where is the last job? I believe in the name of Jesus. Power service. It works in. When it walks in, he says, hey, there are real problems in our society that need answers. We don't have time to be doing powerless religion. If there is no miracle, there is no Jesus. Because the whole thing about him is miracles. He rose from the dead. That's the only one that conquered death. If Christianity lacks miracle, it is mere theory. It is mere religion. It's like a philosophy. Then we can choose which one we want to follow. I can choose whether it is one we are talking about is still alive. And the Bible said Jesus Christ, the same, yesterday, today, and for what? And he made paid in cash. I said, please, do you have more?
Please.
Is it part of what you wrote? Let's take the one.
Medicine or anything pharmaceutical related. We have a pharmacy right here in the store. Look up, look at the sign. The pharmacy is right there with great deals on high quality, authentic goods. It's Inside Radio, just right.
What up, my people? I go by the name Big Banjo. Here's my new song. It's called Joke Me.
turn around, spin, spin. Say hi.
Hello. How you guys doing?
You need to be paying me dues.
Paparazzi. No, I'm not thinking. Think together. I feel more comfortable.
Duck.
Can I ask him to?
Actually, there's no white teas. Hi. So a quick OOTD. So I start my hair. My hair is luxury hair from an online vendor, IG Precisely. Yeah. My top is from Chanel. My trouser is Gucci. My watch is Cartier, and yeah, that's all. Thank you for listening and watching. Mwah. Let me take a little spoon and like this make her talk. Anyway, we're just kidding, okay? Mwah. Hi, good morning. You show my camera. Good morning. Oh man, I don't know, the weather is getting like a bit cold at night. I don't know if it's just here or it's everywhere. So in the night it's a little bit, but when it's evening it's a little bit okay, but when it gets to like early hours in the morning, like 2, 3, the weather is so cold. I literally had to wear my sweats this morning. Coming from me that doesn't really like putting on thick clothes. Then today is Sunday and it's already very late, so I'll quickly boil some water to bathe and get to go. I have to sort out my clothes for today. I don't know if I should wear gold. This is cheap. Bye. Off we go, off we go. You see that?
The junior ones that we pay, they wait until 15th or 18th of the new month. Then they now pay. Yeah, I know they work where they owe salary, and I've already told myself.